This one is a 1975 Olivetti Lettera 25. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. This one does not come with the carrying case, but it has the flip line spacer so that way you could fit it in the carrying case if you have one. Does not have a left carriage release lever. The right one is on the top here and it works good. Let's adjust the margin there. That works good. The bell works good. Left margin works good. Let's put it right there. Get to the end of the margin and you're stuck there unless you hit the margin release button, which is right here. That allows you to get past it. That works good. Backspace works good. Line space, 1 space works good. 2 spaces works good. 3 spaces works good. It's got a 0, which doesn't do anything. Let's keep it at 1. Take a look inside here. We have the spools, and the ribbon direction is dictated with the little forks behind the spool, and if you move it, it will tell you it'll dictate the direction of the ribbon. Right now we have it pulling to the right because all of the ribbon is on the left. As you can see, it's pulling the ribbon from this side to that side, and if you swap that, it's pulling to this side. Now there's a little trick to this model. When you're threading the ribbon, you don't want to thread it through the forks on the side that is not pulling. The fork is empty. I just have it around this pole because when it pulls to this side, as you can see, if it's threaded through that fork, it'll pull the fork to that side and then change the ribbon direction to this side. So I don't thread it through that fork when it's pulling to this direction. Alright, I'm going to type for you, show you how to feed the paper. So the paper feeds normally. You can set that. This lever will unhug the rollers when you pull it down, so that way you can pull the paper out easily. Now you can't feed the paper good if that's down, so you gotta make sure that's up so you can feed it right, but you can't pull it out. You can, but that's meant to open that up so you can pull it out. As you can see, all the keys work perfectly, none of them stick, and the print's nice. I'll show it to you at the end of the video. I'll do a sentence so you can see how the sentence types. This one types real nice. I like it. Get caught up in there. One more function that I forgot to mention is it has a locking mechanism here. If you have that down, it'll lock it in the middle, and that's supposed to help for the carrying and security features and all that. So to unlock it, you just push that up and it's unlocked. Now available on Etsy or eBay. Search Brooksaw Antiques.